grandmother's room. That was Smitty's room. Pretty sure I slept on that fold out as a child, as a kid. That would be the dining room. Oops, I gotta adjust some of this light. So clearly there was a fire. And it destroyed a lot. Now watch where I'm stuck in here. Man, there's just so much to deal with. I mean, relatively. I think my light just went dead. Nice. Turn that back on. There you go. So luckily, it looks like the structure is mostly intact. The roof is all good. There's some smoke damage up there, but the roof looks good. Geez, no, looks good. No, look good. So much. And I have to sort through all of this stuff. And there's pictures on the walls. I mean, there's probably 100 years worth of my family's life in this house. I believe my great-grandmother Josie Mitchum built this house. I haven't ventured too far into it. I'd rather not. There's a big old hole in the floor. I'd like to just come in and get to it. I don't want to mess around. You start at the porch and work your way in. Which is what I'm doing. Sarah leaves to blame. Chickens more fried. My dogs live outside. I'm sure there's just so much in here. I'm just not ready to dig through it yet. It ain't gonna be fun, I can tell you that. But probably be a lot of cool finds. That would be my grandmother's room. Oh, there's your first tour.